at home for almost a year now for the most part, and no matter how many at-home styling outfit videos that we watch, what we end up wearing is usually something like an old t-shirt or something fancier like a newer t-shirt that is still just a t-shirt. And at the bottom, what I at least usually wear is some mismatched pajama pants. And that is how I've been living my life for almost a year now. But we are going to change that in this video. I am challenging you and myself to create some actually presentable at-home cozy but chic outfits, mostly to boost our mood and because I also don't have anything else to do at home. This one is from Zara. It is a matching knit set with a knit tank underneath and a matching cardigan. I just love the color of it. I love how stretchy it is, and you can really pair this with pretty much anything, and it looks good at home but also outside. At the bottom, I am wearing a mango midi skirt. It has a slit, just one slit on the left side, and it is made of a knit material. A little bit body hugging, but I think for at home, given how stretchy it is and how flattering the shape is, it really makes me feel really put together instead of wearing some mismatched pajama pants. Keeping the knit set on at the bottom, I swapped for my favorite jogger pants from Uniqlo. This one I have talked about quite a few times in my recent videos. This is definitely one of my favorite colors. I just love how casual it is, but because the jogger pants are pretty tapered, so it's still really flattering. It doesn't make me feel lazy or slouchy or anything, but it is extremely comfortable. If you're also like me who loves to crank the heater up in the winter time to feel super cozy, then you might feel pretty hot throughout the day. I love to just take my cardigan off and keep this tank on so I can still feel very cozy, but I don't have to overheat at home. Now, if you get colder, let's say towards the afternoon or the evening, besides putting your cardigan back on, what you can also do is get yourself a blanket scarf. And this is the 5th item in my at-home capsule wardrobe. Now, a lot of people don't consider scarves as a wardrobe item, but I actually think a blanket scarf can not only be worn as a scarf, obviously, when you go out, but it is so much more versatile, especially to be used at home. So if I get cold, I can very easily wear it as a cape. The colors also match with the outfit really well. What I love about this blanket scarf is it is actually double-sided. So if you don't like the lighter color, you can very easily go to the darker side of the cape. Blanket scarves are so easy to take on and off, and you can easily just drape it in the back of your chair and put it on whenever you need it. My next at-home capsule wardrobe piece is a cashmere sweater, and I emphasize on the material, which is cashmere, ideally 100% cashmere, because cashmere is the softest. I have also talked about how to care for cashmere pieces, which is extremely simple, in my recent sweater video. I usually size up in my cashmere pieces just so I want a more slouchy look, and I think it looks better with something more tapered at bottom. If you're someone who gets cold really easily at home, then I highly recommend getting yourself a fuzzy long cardigan. If you want to run a quick errand or go to the groceries, you can simply put on this cardigan and you're ready to go. So I simply layered this long cardigan over my previous outfit. The other thing I love about a long cardigan is when you are being a couch potato or chilling on your couch, you can very easily use this cardigan as almost a blanket and you will feel the maximum coziness at home. This next outfit features another midi skirt, and I'm obsessed with midi skirts, so I turned my scarf into a midi skirt. If you have a blanket scarf, you should definitely try this. It is so easy to recreate at home, and I think it's specifically great for at-home outfits because just in case any accidents happen, you're still pretty safely at home. You won't be flashing anyone. A scarf skirt is extremely easy to create. All you have to do is to wrap the scarf around yourself a couple of times and tuck the top bit in then you're good to go. The next outfit is for all of your sporty girls out there, and that is simply to wear your nice sporty leggings. And my favorite one is from Tory Sport. This is so comfortable and flattering, and I love the silhouette of this outfit as well. Even though it's super simple, imagine you, instead of wearing something that's cropped and boxy, wear something super tight on top. It won't be necessarily as flattering and comfortable. So pay attention to the shape of your simple pieces, and when it comes to putting together outfits, it really matters to balance out the top and the bottom. Of course, you can bring back your long cardigan, and I love the juxtaposition of something really oversized and long with something that is more tight underneath, peeking through your long cardigan, so you can kind of see the silhouette of your body still. This is another easily put together running errands or going on walks outfit, but you still feel really chic and comfortable. For all of the dress lovers, you can still wear dresses but look chic and feel comfortable at home. And the key is to get a sweater dress. This is truly best of both worlds. You get the coziness of a sweater, but you also get a very flattering silhouette as the dress. I love this dress because it is more body hugging at the bottom and it's more oversized on top. So I think it will be more universally flattering on any body type. And of course, with pretty much all of my videos at this point, I will 100% feature a balloon sleeve piece. I just think balloon sleeves are probably the most flattering feature that has ever been invented in the clothing world. The other great thing about sweater dresses is they can be so easily turned into just a sweater. All I did here was tucking the extra fabric underneath. Because the bottom of my dress was so body hugging, I can very easily tuck it in and feel really secure. If you're not sure, you can also try to tuck the bottom of your sweater dress under your bra so that it will be even more secure. I just love that with a sweater dress, I kind of get another sweater, and you can make it however long or short you like, so super versatile. I brought back my knit skirt at the bottom. This is the ultimate cozy but chic winter at home look. Lastly, don't forget to simply pull up your knit skirt to turn it into a knit dress. This works particularly well for small-chested people like I am. I love that now I have another dress option to wear cozy at home. But of course, if you get cold, you can very easily drape over your blanket scarf and you will look so chic. It's almost like an at-home formal event where you have like a strapless dress and then a little shawl. I love this cozy version of an event attire, and I can definitely see myself just wearing this out. I hope you have enjoyed this video and got some inspiration of how to style more presentable pieces at home. And leave a comment down below on any other styling challenges you want me to do, and I will see you in the next 12 Days with Audrey video. Bye!
No one can do it like you.